Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a film you would like to recommend to a friend. You should say when you watched it, where you watched it, and explain why you would recommend it to a friend.
Sure, I'd be happy to describe an English film I would like to recommend to a friend. The film I would like to recommend is The King's Speech. I watched it a few years ago and was absolutely blown away by it. I watched the film at home on my couch, but it's a movie that would be great to watch in a theater as well. It tells the story of King George VI and his struggle with the speech impediment, and how he was able to overcome it with the help of an unorthodox speech therapist. One of the main reasons I would recommend this film to a friend is because of the incredible performances. Colin Firth delivers an outstanding performance as King George VI, and his portrayal of the character's vulnerability and determination is nothing short of breathtaking. Geoffrey Rush also gives a standout performance as the speech therapist, and the chemistry between the two actors is truly electric. Another reason I would recommend this film is because of the story itself. It's a true story that is both inspiring and heartwarming, and it's a great example of how perseverance and hard work can lead to great things. Lastly, I would recommend this film because of its message. It's a film that encourages viewers to overcome their fears and challenges, and to not let anything hold them back from achieving their dreams. It's a message that is universal and applicable to anyone, and it's one that I believe everyone can benefit from. Overall, I highly recommend The King's Speech to anyone looking for a powerful, inspiring film that is both heartwarming and thought-provoking. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.